Dear brothers and sisters, now we are reaching the end of Ramadan. Month of Ramadan came so quickly and gone much faster. What is the purpose of fitrana? Fitrana is to assist poor and needy people so that they can participate and enjoy Eid with all of us. And that's the main thing. Fitrana is also called Zakat-ul-Fitr. It is obligatory on every Muslim, male, female, child, as well as the fetus, unborn baby in mother's womb. Hazrat Usman radiallahu anh used to give fitrana for all the pregnant women. So that's the sunnah of Usman radiallahu anh we should follow up. Now, we can pay the fitrana in any form of staple food. It could be wheat, it could be corn, it could be rice, it could be barley, it could be bean, it could be lentil, it could be chicken peas. You can give fish, you can give pasta, you can give meat, you can give milk, you can give barley, you can give dry yogurt, any form of it. And what should be the weight? It should be 2.5 kilogram per person, male, female, infant, child, and unborn fetus. That we should remember. Now, if you say that, okay, I will want to give the money instead of giving these staple food, the amount should be minimum $5 and it can go up to $55. Dear brothers and sisters, it depends on your status. I would highly recommend we should try to fulfill the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, and we should give one staple food 1 year and another one on the other year. 1 year you give it rice, other year you give the wheat, other year you give the meat, other year you give the dates. So this way the range will vary from anywhere from $5 to $55. Please give generously, give more so that the poor and the needy can join us in the Eid and they enjoy the Eid.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala